Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Manju Sharma. In this video, we will study about the sexual reproduction. So, the sexual reproduction involves the formation of male gamete and the female gamete. These gametes fuse to form zygote which develops to form a new organism. Period before the organism can reproduce sexually is called juvenile phase, and in plants this phase is known as vegetative phase. On the basis of the development of reproductive structure, the plants divided into three types. First one is annual plants. These are the plants that completes its life cycle from germination to the production of seeds within one growing season and then dies. Example of the annual plants are pea, maize and watermelon. Second one is perennial plants. Perennial plants are those plants that live more than 2 years and persist for many growing seasons. Generally, the top portion of the plants dies back each winter and regrows the following spring from the same root system. Example of the perennial plants are common sage and basil. Third one is biennial plants. Plants which require 2 years to complete their life cycle. First season growth results in a small rosette of leaves near the soil surface. During the second season's growth, stem elongation, flowering, and seed formation occur, followed by the entire plant's death. Some members of cabbage family and carrot shows the biennial plant's character. In animals, the female and in animals, the females of placental mammals exhibit cyclical changes in the activities of ovaries and accessory ducts as well as reproductive phase. These cyclic changes are called ooster cycle in non-primates mammals, while in primates it is known as menstrual cycle. Now we will study about the events of sexual reproduction. For convenience, these sequence events can be grouped into three distinct stages, namely pre-fertilization, fertilization, and post-fertilization. Now look at the pre-fertilization events of sexual reproduction. These includes all the events prior to the fusion of gametes. In this event, two processes are involved. These are gametogenesis and gamete transfer. Now, what is gametogenesis? The word gametogenesis made up of two words, gamete and genesis. Genesis means formation. So, the word itself denotes that the gametogenesis is the formation of male and female gametes. Gametes are haploid cells. Gametes can be homogametes and heterogametes. Homogametes are those gametes which are same, both male and female gametes are same in their structure, while in heterogametes both male and female gametes are different from each other in structure and their function. A haploid parent produces gametes by mitotic division, while a diploid parent produces gametes by meiotic division. Now, these are the some example of types of gametes. First one is isogamete of cladophora, which is an alga, and second one is heterogametes of the fucus, which is also an alga, and third one is heterogametes of Homo sapiens. Homo sapiens is the scientific name for humans. Now, second process of the pre-fertilization event of sexual reproduction is gamete transfer. Male and female gametes need to be physically brought together for fertilization. This is called gamete transfer. In majority, male gametes are motile and female gametes are stationary in nature. Exceptions are a few fungi and algae in which both types of gametes are motile, like in Cladophora. A large number of male gametes fail to reach the female gametes. To compensate the loss of male gametes during gamete transfer, the number of male gametes produced is several thousand times than the female gametes. Now, what is pollination? In flowering plants, the gamete transfer known as pollination. It is an act of transferring pollen grains from the male anthers of the flower to the female stigma. In seed plants, pollen grains are the carriers of male gametes and ovules have the egg. Pollination is of two types. First one is self-pollination and second one is cross-pollination. In self-pollination, the transfer of pollen from the anther of the flower to the stigma of same flower or from another flower on the same plant occur. While in cross-pollination, the plant pollinates the another plant's variety. In the next video, we will study about fertilization and post-fertilization events of sexual reproduction. Till then, bye bye and thanks for watching my video.